Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use an eyebrow pencil, and my name is Melissa van Dijk. I'm a professional makeup artist, and if you want to keep this channel independent, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get started. Moving on to the tools that you will need. First, you will need to have an eyebrow pencil sharpener, then a spoolie which looks like a mascara wand, then also an eyebrow pencil. Without this one you can't fill in any eyebrows, and lastly a tapered brush. So let's get started with the makeup lesson. Here's a quick overview of each step, and if you're going to follow those steps then you will end up with a beautiful natural looking brow. Step number 1, sharpen your eyebrow pencil. Pencils are easy to sharpen. Use your eyebrow pencil sharpener the same way you would use a traditional pencil sharpener. If the tip is too dull, it can be harder to make precise hair-like strokes. And if it's too sharp, you can deal with tip breakage during application, which is annoying, or end up with strokes that look like they're drawn on, which will take longer to blend later. Step number 2, brush your eyebrows. Often, an eyebrow brush looks like a mascara brush, and at times you can even find eyebrow pencils that have a brush at one end. Use the eyebrow brush to brush your eyebrows up. You need to do this for 2 reasons. First, you will be able to see if there are any hairs that need to be plucked or trimmed. And second, you will be able to see where you have spare areas or gaps between hairs that need to be filled in with the eyebrow pencil. Step number 3, use short strokes and add eyebrow pencil to your brows. Now you can move on to your eyebrow pencil and fill in your eyebrows. What's really important is that you're not going to use too much pressure, so make sure that you're keeping the pressure very lightweight. Use a very relaxed hand to do this, as if you're going to put too much pressure on, the color will be too dark and also the strokes will be too harsh, and then it won't look any natural anymore. Now what's also really important is that you're going to use short and feathery like strokes, just to make sure that you're getting like hair-like strokes so that it won't look drawn on, because if you're going to use very long and straight lines, then this definitely will look fake. You can also use the eyebrow brush in between, just to make sure that you're going to diffuse the color throughout the whole eyebrow. And what you also can do is make sure that you're going to keep the focus towards the front of your eyebrow, very soft and subtle. And then if you're moving towards the midsection and the brow tail, you can intensify the color just a tiny bit. But don't overdo it. Always use the eyebrow brush in between to make sure that it looks very soft and even. Step number 4. Use a tapered brush to soften the lines. Finally, use the tapered brush to blend the lines you've just drawn into your eyebrows. Doing this will help blend the color and reduce the appearance of lines, so your brows look full instead of drawn on. And following these steps will give you the fuller, darker, natural-looking brows that will help frame your beautiful eyes. So this was the video on how you can use an eyebrow pencil, and then you will end up with a beautiful and soft looking brow. I hope that you enjoyed the steps and the video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you for keeping this channel independent, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!